Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. You must be signed into the same Apple ID on your iPhone as the watch, and Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi and location services should be on. Once done, open the Find My app, tap Devices, and choose your Apple Watch from the list. This immediately connects you to the watch's last known location and available actions. Do this now to move straight into locating tools. It saves time and lets you act if the watch is nearby or moving. You can now try audio and navigation tools to recover the watch. Tap play sound to make the watch chime loudly. This is best if it's nearby or under cushions. If it's farther away, tap directions for turn-by-turn navigation from your current location to the watch's last reported spot. You can also choose Mark as lost to remotely lock the watch and show a contact message if someone finds it. These steps help you decide whether to retrieve it yourself or involve someone else. Finish by protecting your data. If you cannot recover the watch, use Erase this device to remove personal information and then report it to your carrier if it has cellular service. Once erased, you can remove it from your account to allow reactivation. If things go wrong and the watch doesn't appear, check that the watch is charged, powered on, and signed in to the same Apple ID. Make sure the iPhone's Bluetooth and location services are active, and restart both devices before trying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.